Camilla, born Camilla Rosemary Shand, later Parker Bowles. Born the 17th of July 1947, is Queen of the United Kingdom and the 14 other Commonwealth realms as the second wife of King Charles III. Their relationship was highly publicized in the media and attracted worldwide scrutiny. Camilla was raised in East Sussex and South Kensington in England and educated in England, Switzerland, and France. In 1973, she married British Army officer Andrew Parker Bowles. They divorced in 1995. Camilla and Charles were romantically involved periodically, both before and during each of their first marriages. In 2005, Camilla married Charles in the Windsor Guildhall, which was followed by a televised Anglican blessing at St. George's Chapel in Windsor Castle. From their marriage until Charles's accession, she was known as the Duchess of. On September 8, 2022, Charles became king upon the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II, with Camilla as queen consort. Charles and Camilla's coronation took place at Westminster Abbey on the 6th of May 2023. Camilla carries out public engagements representing the monarch and is the patron of numerous charities and organizations. Since 1994, she has campaigned to raise awareness of osteoporosis, which has earned her several honors and awards. She has also campaigned to raise awareness of issues such as rape, sexual abuse, illiteracy, animal welfare, and poverty. Camilla Rosemary Shand was born on the 17th of July 1947 at King's College Hospital, London, the eldest child of Major Bruce Shand, a British Army officer turned businessman, and his wife Rosalind, daughter of Roland Cubitt, 3rd Baron Ashcombe. She was baptized on the 1st of November at St. Peter's Church, Firle, East Sussex. Camilla has a younger sister, Annabelle Elliott, and had a younger brother, Mark Shand. The family divided their time between their 18th century country house, the Lanes in Plumpton, East Sussex, and their London house in South Kensington. One of her maternal great-grandmothers, Alice Keppel, was a mistress of King Edward VII. Rosalind was a charity worker who during the 1960s and 1970s volunteered at the Chailey Heritage Foundation, which helps young children with disabilities near their Sussex home. Bruce had various business interests after retiring from the Army. He was most notably a partner in Block, Gray and Block, a firm of wine merchants in South Audley Street, Mayfair, later joining Ellis, son and Vidler of Hastings and London. During her childhood, Shand became an avid reader through the influence of her father, who read to her frequently. She grew up with dogs and cats and, at a young age, learned how to ride by joining pony club camps, going on to win rosettes at community gymkhanas. According to her, childhood was perfect in every way. Biographer Giles Brandreth describes her background and childhood. Camilla is often described as having had an Enid Blyton sort of childhood. In fact, it was much grander than that. Camilla, as a little girl, may have had some personality traits of George, the tomboy girl among the famous five, but Enid Blyton's children were essentially middle-class children, and the Shands, without question, belonged to the upper class. The Shands had position, and they had help in the house, help in the garden, help with children. They were gentry. They opened their garden for the local Conservative Party Association's summer fete. Enough said. When she was 5, Shand was sent to Dumbrells, a co-educational school in Ditchling Village. From the age of 10, she attended Queen's Gate School near her London home. Her classmates at Queen's Gate knew her as Milla. Her fellow pupils included the singer Twinkle, who described her as a girl of inner strength exuding magnetism and confidence. One of the teachers at the school, the writer Penelope Fitzgerald, who taught French, remembered Shand as bright and lively. Shand left Queen's Gate with 1 O-level in 1964. Her parents did not make her stay long enough for A-levels. Aged 16, she attended the Montfertel Finishing School in Talakines, Switzerland. After completing her course there, she studied French and French literature at the British Institute in Paris for 6 months. On the 25th of March 1965, Shand was a debutante in London, one of 311 that year. After moving from home, she shared a small flat in Kensington with her friend Jane Wyndham, niece of decorator Nancy Lancaster. She later moved into a larger flat in Belgravia, which she shared with her landlady Lady Moira Campbell, the daughter of the 4th Duke of Abercorn, and later with Virginia Carrington, daughter of the 6th Baron Carrington. Virginia was married to Shand's uncle Lord Ashcombe from 1973 until 1979, and in 2005 became a special aide to Camilla and Charles. Shand worked as a secretary for a variety of firms in the West End and as a receptionist for the decorating firm Sybil Colfax and John Fowler in Mayfair. She was reportedly fired from the job after she came in late, having been to a dance. Shand continued to ride and frequently attended equestrian activities. She also had a passion for painting, which eventually led to her private tutoring with an artist, although most of her work ended up in the bin. Other interests were fishing, horticulture, and gardening. first marriage. In the late 1960s, Shand met Andrew Parker Bowles, then a Guards officer, a lieutenant in the Blues and Royals, through his younger brother, Simon, who worked for her father's wine firm in Mayfair. After an on and off relationship for years, Parker Bowles and Shand's engagement was announced in the Times in 1973. Sally Bedell Smith wrote that the announcement was sent out by the pair's parents without their knowledge, which forced Parker Bowles to propose. They married on the 4th of July 1973 in a Catholic ceremony at the Guards Chapel, Wellington Barracks, in London. Shand was 25 years old and Parker Bowles 33. Her wedding dress was designed by British fashion house Belleville Sassoon, and the bridesmaids included Parker Bowles' goddaughter Lady Emma Herbert. It was considered the society wedding of the year with 800 guests. Royal guests present at the ceremony and reception included Queen Elizabeth II's daughter, Anne, the Queen's sister, Margaret, and Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. In December 1994, after 21 years of marriage, the couple issued divorce proceedings on the grounds they had been living separately for years. In July of that year, Camilla's mother, Rosalind, had died from osteoporosis, and her father later described this as a difficult time for her. Their petition was heard and granted in January 1995 at the High Court Family Division in London. The divorce was finalized on the 3rd of March 1995. A year later, Andrew married Rosemary Pittman, who died in 2010. Second marriage. On the 10th of February 2005, Clarence House publicized the engagement of Camilla Parker Bowles and the Prince of Wales as an engagement ring. Charles gave Parker Bowles a diamond ring believed to have been given to his grandmother when she gave birth to Charles's mother. The ring comprised a square-cut diamond with 3 diamond baguettes on each side. As the future Supreme Governor of the Church of England, the prospect of Charles marrying a divorcee was seen as controversial, but with the consent of the Queen, the government, and the Church of England, the couple were able to wed. The Queen and Tony Blair, along with Archbishop of Canterbury Rowan Williams, offered their best wishes in statements to the media. In the 2 months following the announcement of their engagement, Clarence House received 25,000 letters, with 95 or 99% being supportive. 908 hate mail letters were also received, with the more threatening and personal ones sent to the police for investigation. The marriage was to have been on the 8th of April 2005 in a civil ceremony at Windsor Castle, with a subsequent religious service of blessing at St. George's Chapel. However, to conduct a civil marriage at Windsor Castle would oblige the venue to obtain a license for civil marriages, which it did not have. A condition of such a license is that the licensed venue must be available for a period of 1 year to anyone wishing to be married there. And as the royal family did not wish to make Windsor Castle available to the public for civil marriages, the venue was changed to the Town Hall at Windsor Guildhall. On the 4th of April, the marriage was delayed by 1 day to allow the Prince of Wales and some of the invited dignitaries to attend the funeral of Pope John Paul II. On the 9th of April 2005, the marriage ceremony was held. The parents of Charles and Camilla did not attend. Instead, Camilla's son Tom and Charles's son Prince William acted as witnesses to the union. The Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh did attend the service of blessing. Afterwards, the Queen held a reception for the newlyweds at Windsor Castle. Performers included the St. George's Chapel Choir, the Philharmonia Orchestra, and Welsh composer Alun Hadinat. As a wedding gift, the Mariinsky Theatre Trust in St. Petersburg brought a Belarusian mezzo-soprano singer, Ekaterina Semenchuk, to the United Kingdom to perform a special song for the couple. Following the wedding, the couple traveled to Charles's country home in Scotland, Birkhall, and carried out their first public duties together during their honeymoon. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.